pregnant woman to her husband. What you are expecting. Will it be a boy or girl? Husband, if we have a boy, I'll teach him maths. We will go for sports. I will teach him fishing, and so on. Wife, ha. Ha. And what if it's a girl? Husband, if we have a girl. I'll not have to teach her anything. Because she will be the one who will teach me all the things, again, like how to dress, how to eat, what to say, what not to say. In short, she will be my second mom, and she will consider me as her hero even if I do not do anything special. She'll always understand when I'll refuse her for something. She'll always compare her husband to be me. No matter how old she will be, she'll always want that I should treat her like my baby doll. She'll fight with the world for me, and if someone will hurt me, she will never forgive that person. Wife, so you mean to say that your daughter will do all those things, but your son will not? Husband, no, no. Maybe he will do the same, but he will learn to do them. But daughters are born with it. Being the father of a daughter is the pride for any man. Wife, but she will not be with us forever. Husband, yes, but we will be with her, in her heart, forever. So it really doesn't make a difference where she goes. Daughters are angels. Born with unconditional love and care, forever. Red Heart.